Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys, and today we're going to talk about setting the points on our points gap on our distributor. So what you have here is you've got a screw here, you got a screw here. This is going to lock, and so it's more or less a pivot point. This is your adjustment side, and then you've got this little tit right here, and you'll put a flat blade screwdriver, and when you rotate it in and out, that's when this is going to move. Now there are different versions of this. This particular one is set up this way. But there are some distributors that basically you've got a loop here and a loop here, and on this side, instead of having that to adjust it, it's an offset screw, and you'll just adjust it and it'll bring it closer or further away. So you're looking for 20 thousandths worth of gap right here. You're looking for just a slight amount of drag. You don't want it to slip in, and you don't want it to bind when you put that in. All right, so now what we'll do is we'll just adjust this till we get the proper amount of drag that we're looking for. And once you do that, then you'll just tighten up these two bolts back together. And then that's going to lock everything in. So I hope that helps when trying to set the points gap on your distributor. Thanks for watching.